let's keep this momentum going. Because it's been a while since a lot of this stuff has come in, like I said, over the last few weeks, I don't know what is in each box. So I do not want to start cutting into things and hurting anything. Let's see what we have here. Amazon. I got an acrylic alignment, t-shirt alignment ruler. That like I said yesterday in my video, I had gotten some fabric from Joann's Fabric to just test some screens out on. I also went ahead and just got the cheap Walmart Gildan. They only had the youth sizes, so I figured I'd try some of those. Next part of our office is going to be to go ahead and set this up. I got this from that store I mentioned yesterday, Menard's 9-cube stackable organizer. So let's go ahead and put it together. Here's what we put together today. Got a little bit of cubby space. Pretty sturdy. It's just a cheap particle board. Tomorrow, we will do some more unboxings. That way we can get to the big unboxing and start making some apparel.